Technology is reshaping the automotive landscape. As we transition to electric vehicles, innovations are now driven by software advancements. At the same time, demand for contactless transactions and personalized experiences is growing. As software-defined vehicles gain traction, forward-thinking OEMs are transforming strategically. Hitachi Digital Services is leading this transformation with solutions for zero-emission autonomous driving, seamless connectivity, digital customer experiences powered by generative AI, and intelligent data management and analytics using IT/OT data. We are building a safer society with fewer accidents and a greener Earth. Imagine your vehicle as a smart, connected extension of your life, more than just a mode of transport. Whether you're fast-tracking cloud adoption, modernizing ERP systems, unifying data to drive transformational change, enhancing warranty and service operations, or creating next-generation integrated control systems to amplify the joy of mobility, Hitachi Digital Services has the expertise and solutions to help. With our deep expertise, you'll boost user experience by 90% with improved data traceability and visibility. Reduce active incidents by 35% using data analytics for predictive maintenance and telematics. Increase profitability by 10% through warranty enhancements and quality improvement. And manage the end-to-end automotive value chain. With decades of experience, Hitachi Digital Services is ready to accelerate your modernization journey. Make your vision a reality.